Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So let's start this video with one question. What is this temperature hyperparameter in LLM inference? So you might have heard that the temperature T variable is there used during the LLM inferencing. So temperature is basically used to control the randomness in the output of LLM. So you know that LLM works on next token predictions. So every time it gives the prediction to or gives the probability distribution to each of the token. And now suppose one token has the high probability, so it will choose that token, but we want some randomness in the output. Suppose we want some LLM to try something else, so that is called temperature parameter. Let's see the demo and you will understand it more, how the temperature parameter affects the probability distribution and how then which word is chosen. So we are here in the Colab notebook and we'll see how temperature parameter affects the probability distribution. So this is the basic formula for softmax distribution with the temperature parameter. So suppose this is the logits array predicted by the LLM. So suppose 2, 1, 0.8, 2.5, these are the weights, logits, and now we have to convert into the probability distribution. So for that we use softmax function. So in softmax generally it is e to the power z zi. Suppose we want to calculate the probability distribution, probability value for the first one, so e to power 2 divided by summation of all the exponential term of all the logits. But with temperature parameter it will divide that each term by T. So basically it means that the lower the temperature, the higher the value of that, the highest value will remain the highest, and if we increase the temperature it will give the less value. Suppose this is the highest value, so it will give less weight, less probability distribution to this one. So we'll see, like if we are plotting, like I wrote a function to plot this probability distribution with the relation to temperature parameter. So suppose right now this, if you see this, how our parameter, like when temperature is the lowest, if we put it 0, it basically means that it will choose the value with the highest probability distribution or probability value. But if we as we increase the temperature, it will see how it goes. So this is the initial distribution. So logit 2.5, definitely it is higher in weight, so it will have the higher probability distribution. But as we increase it, let's say to 30, we'll see the change. And when we increase to 100, we see it's already came to normal. So now the LLM will prefer these, the value probability of the lower logits also. So that's how randomness is decided in the temperature with the temperature parameter, and this is helpful when we have to choose some other words or tokens also, instead of always choosing the highest one. So this is basically related with the creativity parameter, or the increasing the creativity of LLM. But I think this is just the randomness. So yeah, that's it. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.